hope you have a beautiful, wonderful charter with us. Come inside. I will show you everything, all the places that we have here that have a glass of water. Thank you. So here you have the main room, the bar, all the snacks that we can offer to you. You can ask for Abril, our stew. Now we will show you where is your VIP master cabin, a wonderful cabin in this traditional boat. As you can see, a beautiful, amazing VIP cabin. In the other side of the boat, we have the other two cabins. Here you have the master cabin. And also here for your kids, you have a beautiful twin cabin. They're very close to you. So I'm Veronique. I'm the chief stew of Entre Cielos. All the members of the crew, we are going to be very happy to receiving you on board. Thanks for coming. Bye.